Hello students, I am Dr. Ganesh Patil from KTHM College, Nasik. Today we are going to learn the topic matrices and determinant, in which we learn algebra of matrix. Let us start. In our last lecture, we learned definition of matrix and types of matrix. Today we are going to learn algebra of matrix. First, equality of two matrices. If two matrices A and B are said to be equal, if they have same order and all corresponding elements are equal, we write A is equal to B. Let us see the example. Example number 1. If A having order 2, 1, 2, 2, 5 and B having a matrix of order 2, 1, 2, 2, 5, we say that A is equal to B because all corresponding elements are same. That's matrices A and B. Matrices A having order 2 and the elements are 1, 2, 2, 5 and matrices B having order 2 and the elements are 1, 2, 2, 5. All corresponding elements are same, then we say that matrices A is equal to matrices B. If matrices A having the elements 1, 3, minus 3, 5 and matrices B having the element X, Y, Z, W, then we say that X is equal to 1, Y is equal to 3, Z is equal to minus 3 and W is equal to 5, because two matrices having same order and corresponding elements are same, so we say that these elements are also same. So X is equal to 1, Y is equal to 3, Z is equal to minus 3 and W is equal to 5 in case of the equality of the matrices if A is equal to B. Then multiplication of scalar. Multiplication of matrix by scalar. Let A is equal to A11, A12, A21 and A22 be a matrix and K be a scalar, then K is a matrix. After multiplication of scalar, then K is also known as a matrix. Then K is equal to K A11, K multiplied by A11, K multiplied by A12, K multiplied by A21 and K multiplied by A22. So it has become another matrix is known as KAA. Let us see the example. If A having order 2 of the matrices 1, 2, 2, 5, then 2A, we have to find 2A and 2 is a scalar. 2 is a scalar. So what we could do? We multiply by 2 of each element. 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 2, 4, 2 into 2, 4 and 2 into 5, 10. So it has become another matrix known as 2A and these elements are 2, 4, 4, 10. Then another example. If A is a matrix having order 2 and the elements are 1, 2, 2, 5, then we have to find minus 2A and here minus 2 a scalar of K. So we multiplied minus 2 by each element and we get minus 2 into 1 minus 2, minus 2 into 2 minus 4, minus 2 into 2 minus 4 and minus 2 into 5 minus 10. So it becomes another matrix known as minus 2A and the elements are minus 2, minus 4, minus 4, minus 10. Let us see the another example. If A having order 3, then we have to find 3A. So we multiplied 3 as a scalar of each element and then we get 3 into 2, 6, 3 into 5, 15, 3 into minus 1, minus 3, then multiplied 3 by second row and 3 into 2 6, 3 into 6 18, 3 into 10 30, then multiplied 3 into third row, it has become 3 into 3 9, 3 into 8 24, and 3 into 4 12. So it has become another matrix that's known as 3a, and these elements are 6 15 minus 3, 6 18 30, 9 24 12. So multiplied each elements to the corresponding elements. Okay. So let us see the addition of two matrices. If A and B are two matrices of the same order, such of A and B is a matrix obtained by adding corresponding elements of A and B. Let us see the example. If matrices A having order 2, 1, 4, 2, 3, and matrices B having order 2, minus 1, 2, 3, 1, then we have to find A plus B, that is addition of the matrices. Addition is done only matrices having same order. Matrices having same order. In this matrices having order 2 and in this matrices B having order 2, so addition is defined, and then it is become A plus 1. Adding corresponding elements, only corresponding element. Here 1 plus minus 1, here 4 plus 2, here 2 plus 3, and here 3 plus 1. Okay, let us make a pointer, laser pointer, and see 1 plus minus 1, 4 plus 2, 2 plus 3, and 3 plus 1. So it becomes 1 plus minus 1 0, 4 plus 2 6, 2 plus 3 5, and 3 plus 1 4. So become another matrices that is known as A plus B, and the elements are 0 6 5 4. Okay students, let us see the another example. If a matrix is A having order 3, that is 1 4 2, 4 1 minus 1, 0 1 1, and matrices B having order 3, 1 0 2, 0 1 0, and 0 1 0 0 1. Then we have to find addition A plus B. Addition is made only that the matrices A and matrices B are having same order. So here matrices having order 3 and matrices B also having order 3. So addition becomes only adding corresponding elements. 1 plus 1, 4 plus 0, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 0, 1 plus 1, minus 1 plus 0, then 0 plus 0, 1 plus 0, and 1 plus 1. It's become another matrix, and that is A plus B, and the elements are 1 plus 1 2, 4 plus 0 4, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 0 4, 1 plus 1 2, minus 1 plus 0 minus 1, and 0 1 2. Okay. Let us see the another example. If A having a matrix of order 3, that is 1 4 2, 4 1 minus 1, and 0 1 1, and B having a matrix of order 2, minus 1 2 3 1, then we have to find A plus B. Okay student, here matrices having order 3 and here matrices having order 2, these order are same? Not. These order are not same. So additions are not defined. In this example, matrices A having order 3 by 3 and matrices B having order 2 by 2. That means order 3 and order 2. So A and B are not of the same order, then A plus B is not defined. Okay, let us see the subtraction of two matrices. Subtraction of matrices, that is A minus B. A minus B means A plus minus B. Okay, let us understand. A minus B is equal to A plus minus B plus and minus become minus, that is A minus B. Okay. Example number 4. If A having order 3, that is 3, 4 minus 2, 4, 1 minus 1, 1, 1, 1, and B having order 3, 1, 0, 2, 2, 2, 0, and 0, 0, 1, then we have to find A minus B. Let us see the solution. Here, A minus B is equal to, let us see, 1 become B convert into minus B. So 1 become minus 1, 2 become minus 2, 0, 0, 0, 0, 2 becomes minus 2, that is 0, 2 become minus 2, 0 as it is, and 1 becomes minus 1. So addition, let us see, 3 plus minus 1, 4 plus 0, minus 2 plus minus 2, adding corresponding elements. B convert into minus 2. Let us see the second row. 4 plus minus 2, 1 plus minus 2, minus 1 plus 0. Let us change here to minus 2. Let 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0, and 1 plus minus 1, because the signs is changing. And we have to find that 3 plus we have to find that 3 plus minus 1, 2, 4 plus 0, 4, minus 2 plus minus 2 becomes minus minus plus 4, 4 here minus 2, 4 minus 2, 2, then 1 plus minus 2, minus 1 plus 0, minus 1, and then 1, 1, 1 plus minus 1, 0. Okay, let us see the nodes. If A and B are not of the same order, then A plus B is not defined. A and B are not of the same order, then A plus B is not defined. If A is a matrix, then minus 1. If A is a matrix, then minus A is called negative matrix of A. Third, A plus B is equal to B plus A, called commutative property. This property is known as commutative property of matrix. A plus B is equal to B plus A. Number 4, in bracket, A plus B plus C is equal to A plus in bracket B plus C is known as associative property. A plus B and is equal to B plus A is called commutative property, and in bracket A plus B plus C is equal to A plus in bracket B plus C is called as associative property. Number 5, K in bracket A plus B is equal to K into A plus K into B. And 6, A plus 0 is equal to 0 plus A is equal to A plus 0 A and 0 plus A is also A, where 0 is a 0 matrix. And number 7, subtraction of matrix, A minus B is equal to A plus minus B. A minus B is equal to A plus minus B. And number 8, A plus B bracket transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Okay, let us see some homework of you. In example, A is equal to a matrix having order 2, 1, minus 4, 2, 1, and B having a matrix of order 2, 4, 3, 0, minus 3. And we find that A plus B and second A minus B. And same example here also, A having matrix of order 3 and B having of matrix order 2, and we will ask A plus B, 5A that is scalar multiplication, 2A that is scalar multiplication, A minus B and B minus A. Okay students, solve this example and send to my email, that is ganeshpatil@ktzmcollege.ac.in. Thank you very much.